in a parallel plate air capacitor of plate separation D. Parallel plate air capacitor, here is parallel plate air capacitor, plate separation is D. A dielectric slab of thickness T, so here is a dielectric slab of thickness T is introduced between the plate, between these two plates a dielectric slab of thickness T is introduced, then the capacitance becomes 1/3 of the original value. Then after the introduction of this slab, the new capacitance of parallel plate capacitor, it becomes what? 1/3 of the original value, means before the introduction of slab. Then the dielectric constant of the slab is, see here, capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. What is the formula for capacitance of parallel plate capacitor? It is A epsilon 0 divided by D, where A is the area of each plate and D is the separation between two plates. Means before the introduction of this slab, capacity of parallel plate capacitor is C equal to A epsilon 0 by D. So this is equation number 1. Now as soon as we introduce a dielectric, we introduce a slab of dielectric constant K and thickness T, then we know the new capacity of parallel plate capacitor, it becomes C dash is equal to, what is that formula after the introduction of slab of dielectric constant K and thickness T? So new capacitance is C dash is equal to A epsilon 0 divided by D minus T plus T by K. D minus T divided plus T by K. This is capacity of parallel plate condenser after the introduction of a slab, and it was given that after the introduction of slab, whatever is the capacity, it is actually 1/3 of the original value. Original value is C. So the new value of capacitor C dash is equal to, it becomes what? 1/3 of the original value, 1/3 of C. So let us put the value of C dash. What is the value of C dash? It is A epsilon 0. C dash is equal to A epsilon 0 divided by D minus T plus T by K, and that is equal to 1/3 of original value is A epsilon 0 divided by D. So this A epsilon 0 get cancelled. So we can equate the terms in denominator. So what this implies, that D minus T plus T by K, D minus T plus T by K is equal to 3D, is equal to what? 3D. So take these terms of D to this side. So what happens? 3D minus of D, 3D minus of D is equal to, now what is left? It is T by K minus of T. This D will be taken. So what happens? 2D is equal to, 2D is equal to T by K minus of T. Take this minus T to this side. So 2D plus T is equal to T by K. 2D plus T is equal to what? T by K, or K is equal to, because we are interested in finding dielectric constant, K is equal to T divided by 2D plus T. K is equal to T divided by 2D plus T. So out of 4 options, which option is correct? Look at option number A, T divided by 2D plus T. So A is the correct option for this question.